What's up, people? What's up? What's up? What's up, Team Logic? Keep it logical, keep it logical, keep it logical. Listen, I just wanted to just put this out there just real quick. And I know a lot of you already have this. This is not a product review because, I don't know how to do those type of things. I don't think I have the gift for gab for those things. But I've been, buying stuff and everything for our long rides this year and everything. I know a lot of people got a big head start on me, but I always seem to catch up. I still think my lowest average mileage on a year is like 9,500, 9,500 miles. I think that was my lowest. I think in 2020 I got 9,000. Yeah, even during the pandemic, I still got that. That's when we went up Sturgis. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all some of the stuff that I am slowly buying and replacing for Deborah here. Deborah already has in here. I already got that in here. It's not on this side, and I'm learning from a lot of you guys out there. I mean, I don't put people's name out there. I tell them personally that I learned from them. And I learned from a lot of people over the years on what to keep in your bike and how to, yes, what to keep in your bike and how to be prepared for things out on the road. So I'm gonna show you. All this stuff I just got, and some of the stuff I haven't even unpacked yet because I'm still waiting for other stuff, and then I'm gonna rearrange one of my saddlebags and everything, and put everything in there. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera. Of course, y'all know this is my rack. This is my shelf in here. So the first thing I got, I got a brand new first aid kit. These things, y'all have seen them on TV and on YouTube and stuff like that. These are those round reflectors. So if you pull over to the side of the road, you don't have to have the flares. You put them round reflectors on it. That's what that is. This is the tire repair kit. This is the air compressor, the air compressor. Of course, y'all see my gas can. The gas can that goes into the saddlebag. I got a new tool kit. We switched to the Pack Talk Edge. I got my XP1 Micro Start, and of course, I got my new cup holders. These right here are not necessarily for the ride. Because I'm getting something different. But these right here, I don't know how many of y'all are prepared for, disasters, emergencies, and everything. I know I'm prior military. I have mobility bags and go bags and everything that I creating for the whole family and everything. If y'all know what that is, you know what it is. If you don't know what it is, look it up. But this right here, I got 4 of these. These are emergency radios. They're really ham radios, but you can get these and program your own frequency, and that way you can talk to your family and everything. If you're out and about on your property, or if you need emergency communication, cell phones go down and everything. This is not necessarily for the bike because I have something different for the bike. But I got those. And of course, y'all know I got my vacuum bags and my compression bags. So these are things right here that I'm just getting ready to put it all together and rearrange my saddlebag. And I know I'm late. I know a lot of y'all are already out there and did about 15,000 miles already this year. That's okay. As long as we get out there and ride and have a good time. All right, y'all. What are y'all doing? How are y'all packing your bags? Make sure you have the necessary items. And these right here are, I like those things that, you put around your handlebars. Put the blocks that goes around here. So it keeps the rocks from hitting your hands and everything. So, yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Hey, love y'all. Ride hard. Ride safe. Always, always ride on faith and keep it logical. Peace.